everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my travel makeup bag and what I took with me. I'm actually currently on vacation. I am currently in my hotel room, as you can tell by the background, and I wanted to film what I took with me in my travel makeup bag. But before I show you that, hi, my name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every Friday, and hit that bell as well if you want to be even more notified. So please do that, and you can follow all my socials down below. I always have it in the description box, as well as everything that I show in my videos. So now that I got that taken care of, I'll show you my makeup bag. So I currently take 2 with me. It might be a little excessive, but I'm gone for a few days. So this is more glam makeup, and it fits a lot of stuff in it. But I also take this one as well. So this is my everyday makeup and a lot of lip colors and stuff like that. So I carry those 2 with me whenever I go somewhere. They fit everything in it, and it might be a little excessive, especially for a few days, but I like having products with me and a lot of lip choices. But if I'm on a more restricted kind of like space limit, of course I don't take this much, but I'm just at a staycation in the city, so that is pretty much okay to do that. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what's in my everyday one first, and then what is in my glam makeup bag. So let's see what's inside and what I carry when I go traveling, shall we? So this is the first makeup bag that I bring with me. It's really sturdy, and it is a rose gold copper. I got it from Happy Skin. It's included when you buy all their Glam Squad brushes. So that is the makeup bag, and it has a silver zip, and it says Happy Skin Glam Squad right there. And then when you open inside of it, it has a mirror, so you can see me right there, and yeah, you can see me in the mirror. So let's get a little closer to see what I have inside. So I just brought a lot of lipsticks with me for this trip. It depends on what kind of trip I'm going on. So I have a blush, a lot of lipsticks, my beauty blender, lip balm, setting spray. So this is like the everyday makeup bag, and it has a mirror, as I said, so it's easy for me to do my makeup in case I didn't bring a mirror, which I did this time. So I'm just gonna go through and show you what I brought with me this trip around. I'm taking this sleek highlighting palette in Solstice, so I'm just gonna put that right there. Then I'm taking my BYS matte finish loose powder to set my under eyes and my face, so that goes there. Then I'm taking this Essence Mosaic blush, that's a handful to say, in the shade Kissed by the Sun, and it's a pretty orangey color. It's perfect for the summertime right now and the trip that I'm on. So that goes right there. Then I'm going to be taking a few sprays with me. This one is the Human Heart Nature Rosedew Mist. This is just to refresh my face before I put on makeup. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I lost the cap to it, but I just put it in, and I really like it at the moment. For my everyday foundation, and one that I'm going to wear by the pool and when I don't want to be oily, is the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm in the shade 104, and I really like this as an everyday foundation. It can be light enough but has enough coverage, so I can just throw it on. I have 2 concealers. First is the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer that everyone's been raving about. I just got it. I'm going to try it. And then my go-to Holy Grail concealer, which is the Happy Skin Bye Bye Blues in medium beige. So I brought those 2 concealers with me. Here are a few eye products. So this is the Happy Skin Say I Do Cream Eyeshadow Stick. Then I have the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liquid Eyeliner. And then the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which is my favorite mascara right now. I'm definitely had to take that with me. Of course, you can't forget the beauty blender. Next is lips, and I got this lip balm that is like a dupe of the EOS one, so I'm using this up before I use my actual EOS lip balm that I bought. So that goes there. Then I brought with me a mauve lip pencil that will match a lot of the lipsticks that I brought. I brought a few liquid lipsticks with me. These are the Sleek Matte Me lipsticks. The top one is Birthday Suit, the middle one is Shabby Chic, and the one on the bottom is called Bittersweet. They're really pretty colors, so that's why I brought the neutral lip pencil with me, because it matches all three of these shades. So in December, I actually got the NYX 24 Advent calendar that has 24 lipsticks inside, so I decided to bring a few. So those are going in there. I could list each one if you want. These are, I have some liquid lips, butter glosses, liquid lipsticks, and a lot of them are hot pink because I'm going to be doing a hot pink look. So that's why I brought a lot of those. And that is in the first makeup bag that I take with me. It is like the everyday makeup bag and the essentials that I use. And then we're gonna move on to my next makeup bag. This is my second makeup bag. It is my everything makeup bag. It has a lot more stuff inside of it. So this is like what I do if I want to do really glam makeup. So I got this makeup bag at a Shabby Chic boutique inside the mall. It was 240 pesos. I have a pink one and a red one, and I really like the design, and it carries so much stuff. So this is what it initially looks like. Open it up, it has the makeup brushes on top. This is my Happy Skin Glam Squad makeup brush set. They are rose gold. They're coming up a lot golder on camera, but they are a pretty rose gold color. They match with the case back there right here. That's what they originally came in. And then I have a few Real Techniques brushes as well. And then here is a new contour stick and a lipstick that I just bought, so I put those on top. Then we have all my makeup brushes, so this is where I keep all of them. I have a few Real Techniques one, and then this is a Miniso set. It came with this case, so this is where I carry all my brushes pretty much. Then inside here in the main compartment, we have the new L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara that I just got me. It was on sale, so I got me one. And then we have my rose gold eyelash curler that again matches my brushes and the case over there. Moving on, we have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've been using this when I really want to get all glammed up and pretty. I used it a few times already and I really like it. It really does conceal. I got it in the shade medium, but I think I'm going to get another shade to highlight. Then we have my first high-end foundation. It's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I got the shade Nude and it really works well. It's the perfect color for me and I'm really liking this. So this is my very full coverage foundation that I'm now using a lot. So there's that. Then we have the Sugar Tint. This is in Cherry Red, Code Red. So this is a Sugar Tint red lipstick. I forgot I had these in there, so I don't know why I bought these, but more lip choices. Then we have this. This is what I got for my birthday last year. It is the Too Faced Natural Love Palette. I really like it. It has really pretty colors, and yeah, it just has so many pretty colors. As you can see, I haven't used it yet. I'm still waiting for an occasion to use it, but I think I'm going to use it today. So we have that. Then we have my Detail Makeover contour and blush palette. This is my go-to contouring palette. As you can see, it's well loved. I use it for contouring, bronzing, and blush. I don't really use the highlight too much as I have other highlighters, but it's a perfect travel palette, and I love to take it with me. And the packaging is really light and perfect for traveling, as I said, so I take that. Then we have another palette. This is my go-to summer palette. I got it a few months ago, and it is really pretty. I've been using it a lot, so those are the colors. Very summery, and it's like similar to the Too Faced Peach palette, so it's like a dupe for that. That's why I got it, and I took it with me to create some pretty summer looks with it. Then we have my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is the first primer I've tried in a long time. I love this primer. It's really nice and hydrating, and I've noticed a theme that I really like Too Faced makeup. I've really gotten into the brand and trying stuff out, so this is the primer that has been my go-to at the moment. Last thing in here is another makeup bag, so it doesn't get all messy. It can hold it in one place, and inside is just a lot more. I have a brand new beauty blender dupe that I got for really cheap. Then I bought another eyeshadow palette. This is the Nude by BYS. It is the On The Go palette, and it just has some pretty neutral shades. As you can see, I haven't used it yet, but I just take it with me whenever I go traveling if I need neutral eyeshadows. So that's another palette. Then we have the Benefit products here, the brow products. I really love them. This is the Ready Set Brow Clear Eyebrow Gel. I use this to set my brows. So this is the Benefit Highbrow. I've gotten really into this. So when I got my brows done at Benefit, they put this underneath, and it made such a huge difference. So since I had it already, I thought I would give it a go myself, and I actually like the highlight that it gives. So yeah, it makes my brows really nice and really contoured, if that makes sense. So I really like that. So that is a must that I had to take with me for my brows. Speaking of brows, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil to fill them in. This is in the shade Brunette, and yeah, it's a fine tip that creates little brow strokes, which I like. So I use this, and then I set it with the brow gel. For eyeshadow base, I have the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow primer. It's just a very neutral color. It looks like a concealer, and it just goes on very smoothly and gives my eyeshadow a lot of pigment. So I'm really liking this, and it was like really cheap too. It was only $249. So yeah, I have two things from Essence, I guess. I didn't know that. So yeah, we have that. Then we have another hyper sharp eyeliner, because my other one in there is kind of running out, so I brought a backup. Next we have another Too Faced product. It is the Too Faced Love Light highlighter in Way of Light. It's their gold one. No, rose gold one. I think this one's like a champagne. Yeah, it's really pretty. I've been using it quite a lot, but you can't really tell. I really like subtle glow it gives, and the packaging is so pretty. I love that. Hey, you can see me. Hi. So that is what I've been loving. And then last thing in here is just a beauty blender dupe. It is from Mine, and yeah, it is the one you saw earlier in here. This is the used version of it. I cleaned it, and it still got foundation on it, so I had to clean it again. And yeah, that is everything inside besides one lonely bobby pin. And that is all the makeup. There's the brushes again, and I think that is it. So there's all the makeup scattered on the desk, and I think that is it for showing you what's in my makeup bag for traveling. So I hope you enjoyed that. So that was it for what I take with me in my travel makeup bags and all the essentials and what I recommend and what I'm loving at the moment. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have all this makeup as well. So yeah, I am going to go now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!